Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to decorate fall cupcakes using saran wrap. This trick can create a cool multicolor effect as well as makes it easy to clean out your piping bags. You can use any and as many colors as you would like to decorate cupcakes and cakes using this method. To decorate cupcakes similar to what I have done, you will need 4 pieces of saran wrap, orange, white, and yellow frosting, 4 piping bags, and your favorite piping tip. Start by placing a moderate amount of icing in the middle of the saran wrap. Roll it out to create a long tube of icing and twist the edges to make it easy to thread through your piping bag. Repeat this step for each color you are using. Place the saran-wrapped tube of icing in the piping bag and thread it through the bag, cutting off the piece that you pulled through, and repeat the step for each color. Using another piece of saran wrap, pipe the orange, white, and yellow frosting in lines. You will wrap this just like you did for the other colors, but you will cut the end off before placing it in the piping bag. Now place your favorite piping tip in the piping bag and put the saran wrap filled with all 3 colors with the side that you cut in the piping bag. You can create any design you would like using this method using any piping tip, and it will create a cool multicolored swirl. I used the Wilton 1M to decorate the first cupcake and the Wilton 1A for the second cupcake. To make a candy corn colored cupcake, add your favorite tip to a piping bag and put the yellow saran wrapped frosting in the bag. Add 1 layer of yellow frosting to the cupcake. With a clean piping tip, add the orange saran wrap frosting to a piping bag and add 2 smaller layers on top of the yellow frosting. Using another clean piping tip, top off the cupcake with a small amount of white saran wrapped frosting in a piping bag. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe and select the bell to get notifications on future content. If you have any comments, please leave them down below. I hope you enjoyed this video.